VP ready. Okay, so today we are going to be making some peel off face mask slime. You guys, I finally found a nice face mask. Like, guys, I've been looking all over for a nice face mask and I just couldn't find one. Then I went to Foschini and I found the perfect face mask. Finally. So you guys, I have been thinking, right, about a new intro. There's something on my phone. About a new intro. So how's this? Just give me a comment below about this intro. Shalom guys, today we are going to be making some face mask slime. Except with the hand movements, it's just the same like Shalom guys. Shalom guys, today we are going to be making some face mask slime. So give me your opinion on that. I would like to see which one you like, or the normal one as always. Hey guys, it's me, VP ready. Okay, so today we are going to be making some face masks. Okay, because some of you wouldn't hear me. So, hey guys, it's me, VP ready. And today we are going to be making some face mask slime. So it's our normal intro like, hello guys. It's like, hello guys, it's me, VP ready. Okay, so today we are going to be making some face mask slime. Yeah, face mask. Yeah. But I mostly say it like really fast, like, hey guys, it's me, VP ready. Okay, so today we are going to be making some face mask slime. That's the one part you can hear, slime. It's like, I like the intro. I like my intro first. I like the intro. Hello guys, it's me, VP ready. Okay, so today we are going to be making some cloud slime, fluff slime, anything you want slime. Basically like, I'm going to get my bowl and my spoon in 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! So first we're going to take our face mask. I just wanted all the face masks to go down. And as you know, you guys, your girl has to get some pink, yo. Because no, seriously, you guys, there was pink and blue, but the blue felt like it was dry and there was a little bit there. And it wasn't exactly a face mask, it was a foot mask. This was the only, like in the other face masks and stuff, it was like paper here, so it wasn't exactly a face mask like liquid, what I mean. So yeah, scared guys, like seriously. They say you have to okay, I'm just gonna get some scissors. So I was using the scissors, so I ran out of scissors, so I just used a knife. Yeah, so this, I'm scared. I don't know how to do this, you guys. This is like really scary for me. It's not pink, which is not exactly what I expected to be. It's actually clear, so you're going to have a clear slime, y'all. Going to have my fingers. It's like glue. This thing is like glue, you guys. Legit glue. So I'm just going to take the rest of it out. So you guys, I have finished, got the face mask in. I'm not quite sure what. So, yeah. I'm just gonna add some, which I'm really happy, you guys, that I got to see, because I am following a recipe from YouTube and it said watery mask, or you could actually use normal face mask. So I don't know. So yeah, this is pretty much testing it out if it's a fail or not a fail. Pretty much making it like watery. This is not slime, guys. This is not slime at all. That's still. So you guys, I think this is the wrong face mask that we got, or actually this is a wrong recipe, because I wanted to try to get the proper face mask, because there was another face mask, but it wasn't like this. It was like in a small tube. So I will try to get that, and I will show you another fail. I will show you guys that. So I'm just gonna get some white glue, right? And I'm just gonna pour it in here, and then I'm like going to see the little baby slime, because I don't want this to go to waste. And I got my glue, so yeah. So, I don't know if it's gonna work, so yeah. Just a waste of time and money. You guys, so yeah. Gonna mix it and combine it together if it will actually mix, which is getting into water, which is it is getting thick. Oh, I'm pouring glue in my glue is closed, and I'm just wasted a lot of glue. Can't waste. Guys, if you're wondering what's that clicky noise like this, that's my chair that I'm sitting on. That's my chair, so don't worry, you guys. So I just added, it looks like it's gonna come to slime, because it is gone really thick now. It's gone thicker than it was. Much like that. It's becoming a little bit slimy, but I felt like it did something to the slime, but like not really. I love glue, so I don't want this to go to waste. Like it's like slimy, you know, and no slime. Okay. Now it's coming together, finally. Kinda, yeah. There was a lot of activator. So I don't know. Okay. Leave out. So yeah, okay, now it's coming together. So basically it works if you get it in South Africa. If you are South African watching this and you get this slime, it is good, but you're just gonna waste your money and your time. Then you have to put glue to make it actually work. But I suggest do not get it Seriously, you guys do not get it. Okay, I'm gonna just dump the rest of the water out. Okay, that's enough. Then now, what I did, I used the spoon. I got my metal one here. Metal. Wait, I want to see if we can actually play with this with our hands. Okay. This, I don't want to do an ASMR with this. This is a totally fail. So, yeah. I'm never going to follow this recipe ever again because it is a total fail. You guys, it is a total fail. It does this, but not so much. So, yeah. Okay. If you would like to see videos from me in the future, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Comment down below anything you want me to do next. Hit the notification bell on so you would never miss a new video. Yeah, that's what I'll end up with a ASMR. There we go.
Out this.
Repeat a video.